To open a split screen view on Google Pixel 11, first you want to open two apps that you want to use at the same time. So let's say I'm going to use the Chrome browser over here, and also I'm going to open the Firefox. There we go. Now the next thing that you need to do is you want to go to the background apps or recent. So let's just go like that. And as long as you have two apps opened at least, then you should be able to tap on the name of the app that we have here in the upper left corner of the app preview. And then we can find the split screen option. So we can tap over here, then we can choose the second app. And there we go. Now I can use both apps at the same time. You can also use this line that we have here in the middle. So if you tap on it, then you will see these two arrows, which allow you to quickly adjust the split. So for example, one app can take more space than the other. But you should also be able to grab by this line and adjust it manually. Just like that. And if you swipe all the way up or all the way down, then you will just open one of these two apps in the full screen again. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.